Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove music on Facebook profile. So if you want to remove music from Facebook profile, here is a quick tip on how to do that. Just open up your Facebook app on your phone. Now tap on your profile, just confirm if a particular music is pinned to your profile. Then you can see up here under my profile name, you can see particular music is pinned to my profile. So for you to be able to remove it, just tap on the menu, then tap on the gear button at the right top corner. Once you tap on it, you take it down to your settings and privacy. Then from there you scroll all the way down. Then under audience and visibility, just tap on profile details. Then from there you scroll all the way down. Then you tap on music. Tap on it. Then you tap on this three dot icon in front of the music pinned to your profile. Then from here you can quickly delete the songs from your profile. Like I see, songs has been deleted. So go back to your Facebook profile to confirm if that works. You can see refresh, then you can see the songs has been completely removed, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, subscribe and follow for more. Thank you.